Entrepreneur lessons. 1. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary. Steve Jobs, co-founder and CEO of Apple. 2. The critical ingredient is getting off your butt and doing something. It's as simple as that. A lot of people have ideas, but there are few who decide to do something about them now. Not tomorrow. Not next week. But today. The true entrepreneur is a doer, not a dreamer. Nolan Bushnell, entrepreneur. 3. Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. Albert Einstein, physicist. 4. Success is walking from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm. Winston Churchill, British Prime Minister.